In this video, I'm going to show you how to make passive income without doing any work. If we have any computers or all mobile phones or tablets that you can use to make money online as a passive income, all you have to do is install this program, run it on the background, or you can run it when you are not using it. This program works with mobile data and your Wi-Fi, and you can make a passive income every single day. Now, this website also have a cryptocurrency program, and you can get coins and you can get paid anytime that you want. So I will walk you through my setup and how much money I make, the factors that interfere with your make money, or how much money that you can make from this website. Guys, before that, I make videos and make money online and how to save money, how to start a business, and all different steps. I sharing my own knowledge. I'm not selling anything. Show your support by liking this video and clicking the subscribe button, guys. This is a website. It's called honeygain. So this is my dashboard, and you can see this is the honey wallet. If I click that one, this is the previous balance which I have. So if I earn around $20 worth of honey coins, then I can withdraw using PayPal. But one thing they have here is this one called Jumpstack Wallet. So what this is a crypto website. You can run this program in your computer, your phone, or your tablets. So what happens is they use your data and your power of your device to solve micro tasks. For that, you get paid. So you can see this is called Jumpstack. It's a new type of crypto program inside the honeygain. Again, they will give you 50% bonus gift. So you earn 50% and they give you 50%, guys. So if you see, this is my setup here. You can see this is my main computer. I don't run anything on my main computer. So here, this is my old laptop and my old mobile phone here. So you can see I run it on my computer here. So this is called Jumpstack Wallet, that you can see it from here. Now if I click Jumpstack dashboard, it will take to this page. This is the actual website of Jumpstack, that you can see this much coin I made using my device and my Wi-Fi, not mobile data, my Wi-Fi, and my points worth of this dollars, 78 pence. Again, this is not big, but run it on the background. You don't do anything. So while you sleep or while you go to work, if your device is on, you have a Wi-Fi, and you can make these points or the token that equal to actual money. So in order to use a Jumpstack, you need to go to honeygain and create a free account with it. After you create a free account with it, so for example, you see my device here, this is my dashboard. If I click this one called Jumpstack dashboard, and it will take to this page. Here, you need to create a Jumpstack account with either Wallet Connect or MetaMask. So you can see here I have a MetaMask account, two different accounts, so I can use my device here. This is the one I can use it, but here I used a different set of MetaMask account here that you can see I already connected with it. That's why you can see my dashboard, and these are the points I have. So what I can do is I can transfer this exact points to a MetaMask account. From that I can transfer to actual cash. So even this point 78 cents I can transfer it. So if I click this one called transfer to my wallet, and you can see they have a small gas fee. After that I can transfer this much amount into my MetaMask account. So creating a MetaMask account is simple. All you have to do is follow the step. Click this one called MetaMask here, and it will take to this page, and they will walk you through the step-by-step method how to create and connect your MetaMask account. So when you're creating the account, they give you 12-phrase password. Remember that, write it on a paper. So those are one you can use to recover your account if you lost it. So if you lost the password, you can recover the account and all the money is gone. Now, so what I do here, I put the link for the honeygain in my description here. Click that, create a free account with it, install the honeygain on your computer and your mobile device. So you can see they have a download app. You can download any of this app. Again, when you download this app on your mobile phones, they will say these apps are not available on app stores or Google Store. So you have to download from the website. So you need to enable third-party app and download it to your computer, run it on the background, and you can make money from it. Now, there are certain factors interfere with your earning. So from your location, so wherever you're located, little bit difficult. If you're located on USA, you have a more potential to earn more money because of the needs, and the microtasks mainly come from USA. That's the first thing. The second thing, to your type of device. If you have a really old device, it's a little bit difficult. If you have a, say, Windows 10, or you have a new Samsung device phones, or say for example 1 year or 2 years old, which is fine, guys. And also your internet speed, you can use your mobile data. So for example, if your mobile data is refreshing every single day, so unused data can be used to make money from it. Or if you have a limited amount of mobile data, you can use your Wi-Fi. Again, it depends on your Wi-Fi speed. So I have Ethernet connection with my computers, and my speed roughly around 300 megabytes per second. But if your internet speed, also your Wi-Fi speed also low, that can interfere how much coins or how much token that you are making, and that interfere with your how much money you are going to make. Again, guys, this type of passive earning method is you're going to do it without spending many times. So it is worth it because you are not working, you are not doing anything, just run it on the background. So you can run it on while you are working, run it while you go outside, or you can run it while you are sleeping. It will run it on the background of your device while it connected with an internet connection, while either Wi-Fi or mobile data, guys. I hope you understand these videos. This is another method to make money online as a passive income. If you really like these videos, subscribe to my channels, and there's a link in the description for honeygain. Click and create your account today, guys. And also don't forget, I will make a video like this one every single day. So write down in the comment section what kind of videos, or if you have any question, guys. Until that, have a good day. See you next video, guys.